Here, I have two parts of the program that I am going to talk. First part, the CNC machinist and CNC programming. That's what I learned from the school for 3 years training. And then when I working as like a labor, machine operator, clean up chips or everything. I love it. I love to do that. I don't want to sit down and reprogram and think about a lot of things of code or anything. I don't want to deal with that. But I still have some in my mind. When I working from the machine operator, and then I share my knowledge to the people, to the worker, the co-worker together that they don't even have knowledge before. And then I training them, I sharing them how to set up, how to read the program, and then how to program the machine. You can command it, and then let them do whatever you want them to do. The machines look like a human. If you put the code in there, a program in there, it will run. But you have to be careful. That's about the machine. And then if you wanna get the rate better and faster, I have the program. I have the system. I have the formula to tell you how we do that in the next video. Thank you.